So it rained like crazy last night. It's supposed to rain all day today and pretty much all this week. And it's coming around the corner here, heading over to the greenhouse, and I could just smell all of this, these flowers, the sweetness of some of this. I think this is goldenrod in there. It's very sweet, like a honeysuckle type smell. It's very nice, very soothing. It's all overcast today. I'm gonna try and get some windows in. Let's get up there. So I was just cleaning up some of these beds here, pulling them up and filling up my composter. And I grabbed a few green tomatoes, and maybe they'll ripen on the sill. And this is what I found. This is pretty much the last of what I'm going to get this year. A couple of squashes, a few tomatoes. Got one cucumber which was hiding somewhere. That's fancy. So yeah, it's a meal right there, that's for sure. So I got all kinds of pears in here, some apples, lots of garden stuff, all the plants I just pulled up, the peppers, the tomatoes, and whatever else. But I'll be turning that over soon too when I get a spare moment. Here's some carrots. They love each other. So my last pear down there by the hard prune pear has lots of pears on it. They're a lot bigger than they were last year. And I'll just give you a show right now. So I got a small, I don't know what you call that, it's not a bushel, and a basket. And then all my veggies that I picked up here. A couple of squash, cucumbers, tomatoes, some carrots. And we'll be eating them. But we're gonna go down on aisle 6 here. This is aisle 6 over on this side. And head back towards the farm. It'll be on the left. And we're gonna grab some of those pears because they are nice and big and ready to go. So I just wanted to give you an update on my lavender here is growing better. It's doing well. And then my brazenberry still producing strawberries. As you can see, there's a strawberry right there. Those are ever bearing, I'm assuming. So, but it is almost the end of September and I got strawberries. My grapes are doing okay from the cuttings that I did. And I bought some of these currants from the store, which I think are definitely probably root bound a bit, but they're definitely coming to the fall season. But yeah, so doing well. Been able to duplicate, started with 4. I have a whole bunch. And a quick update on my mangoes. So this was the funny one I showed on a few videos back, and I'll link that one at the end of this. And the other one was one I did a week later. But this one already had like a little start on it. So it did come up like a week later. And then this one here I just noticed has a small root in it right there. But we'll have to wait for it to poke up. Maybe it's upside down, I don't know. But hope it survives until the greenhouse is done and I can grow it in the greenhouse. This will be my first mango.